day 5 of driving. We finally made it to Hoover Dam. We'll be here for 2 nights. We paid a little extra and got something facing the water. So here it is. It is currently 107 degrees. We got the motorhome here, Irina and Vazik here, and we are here. We're all going to be facing the water. Great view for the kids, because that's their bedroom window. To ride bikes, it's 3.5 miles, and the best time to do it is 5 in the morning, before the heat.
Of course. Wow.
I actually kind of want to do it without the kids.
Wow.
Unless you guys want to go, 5 in the morning. Sure, Zarka? Is it hot?
Are we going to go swimming today?
Yes, I think we are. Hey, come back. Dad is backing up. So windy here. She said not to put up any canopies and to watch your awnings. Alright guys, our first few hours at our first campground. We are just getting dinner started. This is our first hot meal cooked on the stove in 5 days. I really miss home food, so this is going to be a real treat. We're going to have lemonade. Emma made a salad, and we're going to finish off the rest of the salmon. So that's what the fish looks like inside. We're gonna finish off the 2 here because I want to finish our food in the fridge. Make sure none of it is going bad. Hey cutie. It is so hot. He needs a haircut.
And me.
He's sweating.
Mom, and me.
You sweating?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mom, I need a haircut
Эйбл,
too.
давай оставляй. Мама тебе насыпет сейчас тарелочку, okay?
Me too, Mama, me too.
Сейчас, 5 more minutes, we'll be done. Hi.
Mom!
Что там, что?
Hey!
The beach. So this is what's on the bottom of the lake. Lots of gooey mud. Feels really nasty on your feet when you walk in. But it's because it's so hot. I walked in. I think pretty much everybody swam. All the guys swam. Look at those people. They're like covering themselves in mud. Hey, you guys covering yourself in mud? Hey, mud is good for your skin. Oh my, you need a board here.
This water is like, this much, look how much it's
Oh, this is gross. Are you stuck? Here, give him a hand. Really muddy here. Just go under. Abel's wearing water shoes. That's how muddy everything is right now. We found one shoe, we can't find the other shoe. Abel, where was he standing?
Hey, why are you muddy?
It's so
Madi. Look at you. Madi? Yeah, it is the Madi. I hope you're expecting to walk home, right?
Wow, look at that. I can't even see anything. I can see covered fully.
Isaac.
Oh no.
Trying to get up this hill. It's a little steep for me. This is 5:30 in the morning. Down a little bike trail. Not sure exactly where it goes to, but I'll be checking it out. Tent section. This view is definitely worth getting up early for. Definitely worth it. It's actually quite a, oh, bikers. The campground is right there, so I am not too far off. But I should be heading back. I don't have as much energy as I usually do, so I don't want to overdo it. Yeah, that's beautiful. It's definitely worth getting up for. There you go. Alright guys, this is day... Oh, I saw your hat. Day, what is today? Day 6? Day before 4th of July. We are going out on a little cruise ship ride. Oh, it's right here. Should have been on the right side. Hoover Dam cruise ship ride like a little tour, hour and a half long. Andre's feeling patriotic. We had to buy a little stroller for our 2-year-old for safety reasons. Hey, you got all those tags on there. Just throw them in the trash. All right, Veronica, you want to go on a cruise ship ride? Okay, Eric has the book bag. Let's go. We are really pushing it. They're boarding at 12. It's like 11:59. Come on, like just like at the airport. We are so late. Ooh, everybody's here. Oh, они кормят нас здесь. Oh, that's awesome. You guys hear that? Все за столом сидят. No, I think it comes with part of our tickets. Спорим на $100.
Throw the phone there.
He's gonna owe me $100 later tonight. Yeah, baby?
On behalf of myself and the entire crew of the Desert Princess, I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you aboard and to thank you for cruising with us today on your excursion across Lake
there's the
Mead to
captain.
the upper end of the Hoover Dam.
Right over
We'll be
here.
underway shortly here, but in the meantime, I'd like to remind you if there's anything that we can do for you to make your cruise more enjoyable, please don't hesitate to ask any of our crew members. The second deck bar will remain open.
Pulling out.
So you can see where we're going.
Oh, look, we're turning. Wait for me, guys. The what? We're supposed to be here. Yeah, we're supposed to be here. Oh, no, it's not the ocean. Hold on tight. It's really windy. Ethan, you have to hold on, Arna. I don't need anybody falling overboard. Some life jackets.
Let's
go back?
My feet.
Water spraying? Oh, look, a boat. They're taking pictures of us. We're taking pictures of them. Dust storm. It's just a little dust storm. Woo! Tying us up. Hello, guys. So today is day 6 of our vacation. We are currently in Hoover Dam. It is the middle of the day. It is 105 degrees. So this morning we went out on a cruise. We came back around close to 2 o'clock and it's 105 degrees outside. Very, very hot. Even just cooking food is like a chore in this heat. I'm not gonna lie. It's a bit tough. The little kids are napping and everybody else is cooling off under the AC in the back room. It's very hot outside. Anyways, let me show you what we are eating tonight for our dinner. It is currently 4:15ish, and we're leaving to town around 5 o'clock. So we're hoping to catch some fireworks here, maybe in some local town nearby. It's the day before 4th of July, so fingers crossed. Maybe we'll get some excitement out there tonight somewhere. Let me show you what we're eating. So Andre grilled up some steak. He forgot to buy, the guys went out to Walmart yesterday and bought some items. He forgot to buy veggies, or maybe he didn't know that he was supposed to put veggies. So we just stuck some onions in here. And then I got a salad made. We are drinking through tons and tons of water and juices here because it is so hot.
I need to go pee.
Okay, baby, you can go.
No.
We got some bread over here, and this is our potatoes that we're eating today with our steak. It is just some cooked yellow potatoes in water, salted, and then heavy cream with some favorite seasonings like garlic, pepper, salt. This is less potatoes than I usually make, just because it's so hot and everybody's not eating as much as they used. They're not eating as much as we usually do. So this is about half portion than what I usually make, but it'll be enough. It'll be enough because we have a little bit more than 3 pounds of steak here, some salad, so I have plenty of food to go around. The babies are just waking up from their naps. I try to put them down to sleep when it's super duper hot outside. So they were sleeping from around 2 to 3:30. Right? You feel better now? Yeah, the heat is just very, very, it just physically makes you super tired really quick. We're about to eat. So I don't recommend coming here in the summer like we are. I bet fall and spring are the best times to come here. But also that's when there's school for the kids, so it'll be kind of hard to get away on the cross-country road trip during those school days. But otherwise, we are slowly surviving. We are sitting inside in the middle of the day when it's super hot. We have an AC unit in our bedroom, and then we have an AC unit in the kids' bedroom, but we have no main AC unit in the living area where I cook. And when I cook, the heat from the stovetop just warms everything up, and then the front door, the kids are constantly in and out. I try not to get them to do that so often. It's either in or out, but you know how kids are, they tend to forget, and yeah, so that's an issue. I am going to leave you guys on this high note, and we are pulling out from Hoover Dam tomorrow. We are driving down to Grand Canyons for 2 nights also, and I'm gonna leave this tonight, since tonight we're just gonna go out in town, maybe catch some fireworks. I doubt I'm gonna record that. I'm just gonna enjoy some time with the family. If you guys haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that if you want to continue watching our videos. That way you will get notifications, and I really appreciate you guys being here, and I will see you guys later.
Ethan, I'll give you the whole
For me too.
Mama, do you want to drive the Tesla?
I don't know. Does it drive like a regular car?
No, it flies crazy.
Is it smooth?
It's smooth, you can't hear anything. It brakes by itself when you're in town.
So I could take a nap?
At the red light, it goes like...
So like a golf cart, we let off the gas, and I'll start something.
Oh, I don't like that.
No, it goes like...
I don't like that feature. There needs to be that. Is that enough for you? Potatoes?
More.
You want more?